That last break ran a little bit longer than I expected, about 10 minutes longer than I was expecting. I didn't realize that the blasters had 11 packs of 8 cards, and I was thinking it was 8 packs of 11 cards, so I guess it'd be 15 more packs to open than I thought at first, so would have scheduled the breaks probably the other way around. We'd have done this one first, but anyways, we've made it. We're here now, ready to roll. These should be fun. These have been fun the last couple weeks we've been doing them. I got this break, and I'll do one more break, and that'll finish out the case. As far as the case hit goes, I thought like snakeskins were the case hit. We have not pulled one yet, so we got these 4 boxes and another 4. If a snakeskin is like truly a case hit, then hopefully we find it here in the next couple breaks. But anyways, there's all your mini parallels and box information there. If you guys that have stuck around and waited are in here ready to break, if you would just shoot me a message and let me know the video quality is good to go, and we'll go ahead and get started. You just give me a thumbs up or say it's all good, and we'll let it rip. Hey Marty. Yeah, it is morning. I didn't even think about that. 12:30 in the morning. Sweet. All right, we'll go ahead and let her roll. Should be one big thick pack at the bottom. It'll have all the Teal Waves, Carolina Blues, those Cosmics and everything. So here we go. Got Mark McGwire, Jose Ramirez, Anthony Santander, and a Clayton Kershaw championship stage. Actually going to go ahead and separate these as I go. Inserts and base. I don't know, I'm looking pretty rough. Need a shave. Garrett Crochet rookie. Chris Bryant. Luis Gonzalez. Rookie for the White Sox. And a stargazing Trevor Bauer. Oof. Keibert Ruiz rookie. William Contreras. Got a Willie Adams. And David Peterson. Green rookie. The Mets. That's actually pretty well centered for being a green. I've seen a lot of the greens that didn't look too well. Looks like my camera angle's different than I'm used to. I keep holding the card a little low there. I keep telling myself to pull your hands up. There we go. Ryan Jeffers. Aaron Nola. I think our autograph's going to be right here, maybe? Yeah, it's always upside down. Let's see who we got first. Sean Murphy. Not numbered, but we have had some luck. Got some numbered autos here lately. Sean Murphy for the Oakland Athletics. Just like a base sticker auto there. Got a Lumber Incorporated Yordan Alvarez insert. This is what I like about Prizm Baseball. It's not licensed, unfortunately, but there is a lot of inserts and rookies and parallels, so kind of makes up for it a little bit. Trevor Rogers, Luis Patino, Fearless Paul Goldschmidt insert, and a Charlie Blackmon Fireworks insert. Silver there. So like that pack had 2 rookies, an insert, and a silver insert, so no base veterans in there. That's always fun to rip some decent cards. There is stained glass inserts in here. Those are pretty sweet. Corey Seager, Jose Marmoleos, Got a Luis Robert. And a green Jesus Sanchez for the Marlins. There's a green that's a little bit off center. It's kind of thick on the left side there. I'll go ahead and get this auto in here. Best auto we pulled was Cabrian Hayes. We pulled a blue out of, it was either 199 or 150, but pretty sweet. I think that was in the last break, actually. Got Ryan Weathers, rookie. Garrett Cole. Monty Harrison, rookie. And a Sluggers of A.J. Pollock. I'm not a huge fan of that Sluggers card. I don't know. Seems a little busy for me. There's David Peterson, rookie. Albert Abreu. Illumination, Pete Alonso. You got a silver, Josh Hader for the Brewers. I can never remember if it's I think it's Hader. Maybe it's Hader. No, it's got to be Hader. Just like Harrison Bader. Josh Hader. That's what we'll go with anyways. Oh, come on now. There we go. Alright, time for some pre-colors. Hopefully we can get a bunch of rookies and stars in here. There's a Jim Thome throwback. These are the Carolina Blues. We got Andre Scrub, Alex Kirilloff, Walker Buehler, Carolina Blue, Edward Kalina, Anderson Tejada, a couple of Cosmic rookies there. Mike Soroka. There's a Ryan Mountcastle. That's nice. He's one of the better rookies in here. There's another decent one. Alek Manoah, Tucker Davidson. These are going to be your Teal Waves. Tyler Stevenson and Mickey Moniak. So 4 Teal Wave rookies there. Lots of goodies in the bonus pack usually. I'm looking over at the piles I've got. I got probably, what is there, 44 cards in a box. I've got about 8 base cards. Probably 15 inserts and rookies. And probably another 10 to 15 top-loaded cards already, whether it be like parallels or rookie parallels or whatever. Megas usually provide quite a bit for you. We had like 8 rookies in that bonus pack. Andre Scrub, what a name. Krill's not too bad for the Twins. Alright, making our way to the next box. Taylor Trammell, rookie. Got a Reese Hoskins. Oh, what do we got coming up here? Is it checkerboard? What is this? Francisco Lindor. Very nice. Out of 75. Ah, it does have a print line at the bottom. You can barely tell, though it kind of runs through the black there, but definitely a print line. Man, that's lame. You can probably see it when I go further away, right down here. I always call these checkerboards, but this has probably got a more specific name to it. Yeah, championship stage, Chris Bryant. You can get lost in the back of those mega boxes trying to read all the different parallels. There's Pudge Rodriguez, Manny Machado, Sander Bogarts, and we got an Ozzie Smith green. The Cardinals. Grabbing two there. Jose Barrios, Babe Ruth. Here's our auto coming up. It is numbered, out of 35. Dang. Travis Blankenhorn for the Minnesota Twins. I wonder what this parallel is going to look like. Oh, that is sick nasty. That's got to be the snake skin. I didn't know the snake skins were like, had the orange in them though. Very nice. For the Twins, nonetheless. Sweet action. Was it out of 35? I think that's a snake skin, but we'll look it up here in a second. And Mike Yastrzemski Lumber Incorporated. I thought the snake skins were not numbered, but maybe they are. If I had to guess, this would probably be your case hit, but that's probably going to be the best card out of the case. Maybe not the best player out of the case, but that's probably the rarest card they're going to throw at you. Snake skin auto to 35. I did see a guy on Facebook post the other day. He pulled a 101 out of a mega box, but Sixto Sanchez, Willie Stargell, got a Fearless Josh Bell, and a Kyle Lewis Silver Fireworks insert. I've yet to pull a 1 of 1. I think that 35 might be the lowest numbered card that I've pulled so far. Santiago Espinal, Whit Merrifield, Mookie Betts. Got a green Tyler Glass now for the Rays. Alex Bregman, Wyatt Matheson rookie, Jorge Mateo, and a stargazing Shane Bieber. Luis Garcia, rookie for the Nationals. Isaiah Kenner Falafa. I butchered that name. I know I did. Rafael Marquez. And an Eloy Jimenez Sluggers insert for the White Sox. Rod Carew. Leody Taveras rookie. Illumination Luis Robert insert. A silver Shirt Apostle rookie for the Rangers, I believe it is. Nice. Decently centered. It's a little thick on the top and probably the left, but not like crazy off center. Alright, now we're going to run into our little bonus pack here. We had a crazy amount of rookies in the last one, so we'll see what happens with this one. I do go back and sleeve all the inserts, all the rookies, all the parallels. And I'll probably have to top load a few more as well. Just make sure all the cards are protected during shipping. Alright, Carolina Blue, Keegan Aiken. We got Tim Anderson, Jorge Mateo, and Willie McCovey. Cosmic Pudge Rodriguez, Alex Bregman, Johan Oviedo, and Tyler Stevenson Cosmic. I think we had another Tyler Stevenson parallel earlier. Jim Thome, Andre Scrub, Alejandro Kirk, and Brandon Lau. So a little bit back down to earth. 6 and 6 there. We had 6 vets and 6 rookies. So usually what it is, something like that. 2 and 2 out of each parallel. Got another Andre Scrub. I can't remember what the first one we got of him was. What parallel, but we might have got 2 different ones already. Oh, you're fine, Jose. I actually started late, I think, by about 5 or 10 minutes tonight. I did a Donruss football break that ran a little bit longer than I was expecting it to, so if you checked in about 12:15, you probably wouldn't even seen that I had started yet. Alrighty, we got 2 boxes left. I want to see a stained glass parallel. I've pulled 4 stained glass cards out of, I guess this will be box number 15 from the case. So we've pulled 4 so far, but they've all been base. So surely we can get a stained glass parallel before this case is over. Surely. Alright, there we go. Brooks Robinson. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Hyunjin Ryu. And a green Nick Madrigal, rookie for the White Sox. Another green that's kind of off-center. That first green we got tonight looked pretty good. We got kind of back to the normal with the other greens being off-centered. Trevor Bauer, Tanner Houck rookie, Jazz Chisholm rookie, and Nick Madrigal. Rookie class insert there. Ooh, don't be sliding around, cards. Sometimes those Prizm cards like to surf on each other for some reason. There's a Joey Bart rookie, Noah Syndergaard, another Mickey Moniak rookie, and Garrett Cole stargazing insert. Well, I need to go check up on what happened tonight. I knew there was like 4 teams fighting for those last 2 wild card spots. I'm interested to see how it turned out. Ramon Laureano, Jose Altuve, Kirby Puckett. And we got another green rookie here. Looks like Ryan Weathers for the Padres. That one doesn't look too bad. A little fuzzy down there, but just a hair thick on the left if I had to say anything about it. Ramon Urias, Travis Blankenhorn. Here comes our auto out of this one. Travis Blankenhorn was our first auto. Snakeskin out of 35, I believe is what that was. Tyler Stevenson. We got a few Tyler Stevensons tonight. A couple of rookies out of the bonus pack. And then we got a rookie autograph. He's got a nice little auto. It's just a base card, but it's always cool to get an auto. Got a Joe Adele rookie class insert. Jose Garcia, Kohei Arihara, Illumination Jose Ramirez. Hey, there's a silver Sluggers insert. I have not pulled one that's silver yet. Cody Bellinger. Well, Cody Bellinger didn't play well enough to deserve some of the cards I've seen him have in these sets. He's had inserts and almost everything. You gotta step it up. Well, they got the playoffs, I guess, to prove himself. Victor Gonzalez rookie, Nick Madrigal rookie. Oh, nice. Looks like a red wave. Can't remember what these are out of, but Monty Harrison for Miami. Out of 99. Very nice. 74 of 99. It is fairly off-centered. That's always a problem with Prizm sometimes, but we got a Fireworks Fernando Tatis Jr. insert. Just the base version there. Albert Pujols. Tyler Stevenson rookie again. I got a Fearless Garrett Cole. And dang, the Reds have been just lighting it up tonight. Got Jonathan India silver. He's another good one from this set. I like Jonathan India. That's a really good looking card too. Left and right looks really nice. Bottom's a little skinnier than the top, but not a bad card to look at. I'd have traded the red wave parallel for the silver though on this one. Silver would have looked good on this one. Red wave would have looked sick on the Reds card there. Alright, time for our bonus pack where we have the Carolina Blues, the Cosmics, and the Teal Waves. Let's see how we do this time. Got one for the Red Sox, Tanner Houck, David Peterson, Will Crow, Carolina Blue, Mike Piazza, Brooks Robinson Cosmic, got a Victor Gonzalez rookie, Rhys Hoskins, and Willie Stargell. For the Teal Waves, we have Wyatt Matheson, Ketel Marte, Taylor Jones, and Randy Johnson. I don't know if I pulled a Randy yet. A little bit weaker on the bonus pack this time. I think we got quite a few pitchers, unfortunately. Not that pitchers are bad, it's just everybody likes to see a big young shortstop or third baseman or center fielder usually. Or a little Joey Bart, Sam Huff maybe, some of those guys. Who are we going for? Casey Mize? What's the Detroit rookie that you're after the most? We got to speak it into existence here. It's our only hope. We pull a lot of Tariq Skubal and other products. Skubal. I think Jared Kelenic has a card in here. I have yet to pull it, though. It must be like a hyper rare or something stupid like that. I know he's got a card in here. I don't know if Torkelson has like an up-and-coming card or anything. That would be cool if he's got like a prospect card in here. Sometimes they do that. I think Wander Franco had one at one point in time. Braylon Marquez, Larry Walker, newly inducted. Got Will Crow, and there's the Wander Franco. If Torkelson had a card, I think it'd probably be similar to this one, an Emergent. Last one we pulled was a silver Wander Franco Emergent. That's pretty nice. Pulled that one like 3 or 4 breaks ago. Andre Scrub rookie, Christian Pache, Josh Donaldson. Is this William or Wilson? I think it's William. William Contreras, green rookie for the Atlanta Braves. Lewin Diaz rookie. Taylor Jones. Here's our auto coming up. Yeah, definitely should be some Casey Mize somewhere. Not numbered. It's Ryan Weathers. I think I pulled a Ryan Weathers auto before. There's a base sticker auto there for the Padres. There's a Nolan Arenado stargazing. Spencer Howard, Trey Turner, Chris Rubik rookie for the Royals, and Mookie Betts championship stage. Luis Campusano, Randy Johnson, Joey Votto. We got a Zach Gallen green for the D-backs. That's probably one of the first greens we pulled that wasn't a rookie card. We're getting quite a few green rookies tonight. Just a few packs to go here. We got Carlos Correa, Jim Thome. There's Vladdy. And K. Ruiz, rookie class insert for the Dodgers. We're struggling on this box. Haven't pulled nothing too crazy yet. Ian Anderson rookie, Mitchell White. Hey, there's a stained glass. Another base though. Juan Soto, very nice. And a silver Victor Gonzalez rookie for the Dodgers. Can't seem to pull a stained glass parallel to save my life. I think we pulled Juan Soto once out of this case. Mookie Betts once and Trout twice. So that makes 2 Sotos, 1 Mookie, 2 Trouts. So 5 stained glass inserts out of now 16 boxes. Zach McKinstry, Mike Piazza, got Illumination, Sixto Sanchez, and Ian Anderson, silver rookie class insert. Alrighty, over down to the bonus pack. We got Kyle Hendricks, Trevor Larnach, rookie, Brady Singer, Pete Alonso. Those are the Carolina Blues. We got Jose Barrios, Pudge Rodriguez, Cosmics, Ricky Henderson, Kyle Cody, Cosmic rookie. Andrew Vaughn's not a bad one there for the White Sox. Debbie Garcia, Kohei Arihara, I think we got that one already once. And Travis Blankenhorn. He's got multiple decent cards already. Yeah, we couldn't find any Casey Mize. I don't know that we even got a base rookie tonight. We got tons of cards stacked up here too. Alright, well, let's do a little recap. I guess it'll be kind of a large recap. We probably got 50 cards top loaded here, or 40, something like that. We got a David Peterson green, Charlie Blackmon silver fireworks, Jesus Sanchez green, Sean Murphy was our first auto there. Josh Hader silver. We got Alek Manoah, Tucker Davidson, Tyler Stevenson, and Mickey Moniak, all teal wave rookies. Ryan Mountcastle and Edward Colina, Cosmics. There's another Cosmic, Anderson Tejada. Andre Scrub and Alex Kirilloff, Carolina Blues. This is a nasty one. Out of 35, Travis Blankenhorn, rookie auto. I believe that's a snakeskin parallel of some sort. Ozzie Smith, green Francisco Lindor. Checkerboard looking card out of 75. I need to really learn all those parallels. Most of them I can pick them out, but they call them different. Like, if you're opening Optic Basketball, that's a checkerboard. I don't think it's the same in Prizm. Got a Cal Lewis Silver Fireworks, a Shirt and Apostle Silver, Tyler Glasnow Green, Andre Scrub, Alejandro Kirk, Teal Waves, and we got a Johan Oviedo and Tyler Stevenson Cosmics, Carolina Blue Jorge Mateo for our first little batch there. Then we had Keegan Aiken, Carolina Blue. We got a Cody Bellinger Silver Sluggers insert. Rookie autographs of Tyler Stevenson. Ryan Weathers and Nick Madrigal Greens. Jonathan India Silver. Monte Harrison Red Wave out of 99. Yeah, 74 of 99. Taylor Jones, Wyatt Matheson, both teal waves. We got a Victor Gonzalez Cosmic, Tanner Houck, and David Peterson, Will Crow, all Carolina Blue. William Contreras Green, Victor Gonzalez Silver, Juan Soto Stained Glass. Rookie autographs Ryan Weathers for the Padres. Ian Anderson Silver Rookie Class. Andrew Vaughn, Debbie Garcia Teal Waves. Cosmic of Kyle Cody. Got a Trevor Larnach and a Brady Singer Carolina Blue. So, very sick auto that was for the Twins. We got some other nice parallels. Let me see real quick if I can figure out. Red Wave. Okay, I think that was a Power Plaid Prizm out of 75 was what that Lindor was. Blue Wave Prizm would probably be out of 50, and then the Snakeskin Prizm was out of 35. It's like a Navy Blue Kaleidoscope would be your next one. Burgundy Cracked Ice, Gold Prizm. All kinds of crazy stuff on these boxes, but anyways. I hope so, Marty. That was a rough one for the Tigers. It seemed like a lot of teams did okay, but like I said, we didn't get hardly anything for the Tigers, but anyways, I do appreciate you guys jumping in. I'll ship everything out tomorrow. If you need something, just shoot me a message. Aside from that, you'll have a good week, and we'll catch you later. See ya.